Stop scrolling. What if I told you this crispy, creamy vegan pinwheel could be your new viral obsession, made in under 45 minutes with just potatoes and zucchini? Hi, I'm Marilyn from Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen, and today we're diving into these potato-zucchini flatbread pinwheels that are blowing up on TikTok for their healthy glow-up vibe. Stick around, I'll show you every step, plus hacks to make them your own. Let's grab our ingredients. 3 medium potatoes, 1 zucchini, 3/4 of a cup of flour, I use gluten-free, water, salt, freshly ground pepper, and olive oil. For toppings, homemade vegan cream cheese, caramelized onions, sun-dried tomatoes, arugula, and a balsamic drizzle. Super simple, wholesome stuff that's SEO gold for easy vegan recipes. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line your baking sheet with a Silpat mat. Grate those veggies. Pro tip, squeeze out excess water with an almond milk bag for max crisp. Mix flour, water, seasonings, then stir in the grated veggies. Spread it flat, brush with olive oil if you want that trending crunch, and bake for 25 to 30 minutes till golden edges scream perfection. Cool it down, don't rush or it'll crack. Slather on that tangy vegan cream cheese. Layer arugula for freshness, onions for sweetness, tomatoes for zing, and drizzle with balsamic. Roll tight from the short end, and bam, a log ready to slice into stunning spirals. Customize like a boss. Add red bell pepper flakes for heat, or herbs for flavor bombs, black or green olives, chopped up bell peppers, capers, or any other ingredient that you want. Serve as appetizers with hummus, a light lunch with salad, or party platters that'll wow. These are versatile as anything, healthy-ish, make ahead, and totally shareable. Look at that crispy, delicious goodness, creamy, tangy, and so addictive. If you're loving this, smash that like button, drop a comment with your topping twist, and subscribe to Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen for more viral vegan hacks. Hit that bell so you never miss a recipe that'll level up your plant-based game. Thanks for watching. See you next time.